Good Sunday morning. Making out my to-do list of probably 5, 6 things that I hope to accomplish one on. This is the way I am. Get distracted, get going on another project that's not even on my list. Not a good time management for myself. But twice this morning, well, last night we moved sheep to a nice area we thought they would really love to eat down. They didn't like it. They got through the fence twice. And now the smug shits are laying in the shade. So I'll let them hang out until I find time to move them because they're not going to move very fast for me. I got stuff to do. Anyway, my lovely to-do list. Onions to pull. But in order to pull the onions, I got to clean the barn so I can put the onions in there. So, barn. Move some equipment with the tractor forks. But in order to move the onions in the barn, I have to put the tractor forks on. And the sheep are by the gate, which I don't want them getting out. So once we circle back around to put the sheep up, then I can put the forks on to move the implements to pick up the onions to go put them in the barn. But then the barn needs to be done. So I guess the first thing I'm doing is cleaning the barn. It's not that big a deal. I just have garlic remnants in it. After that chaos is all done, I'm going to finish stringing the cucumbers. Got as far as I could last night before I got tired and went to bed. I plan on planting arugula, spinach, lettuce, carrots, peas. Probably some bok choy. Maybe I'll wait another week for bok choy because it's supposed to get warm again. And I think I'm going to pull some peppers in the high tunnel. They're just not doing good, and I need to get my fall crops in. And pull weeds. That's always a constant battle here. One of these years, it will not be a battle, and I will be grateful for all the work I'm doing now that will result in less work going forth in the future. Patience. It's not sometimes a good thing for me. And then when I go in the house, which I will ignore all things in the house that need to be done, I'll plant up some more lettuce in trays. Then tomorrow I go back to work. So I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday and stay sane. Bye. Can you believe it? Task number 1 done. Short of washing out some other stuff, but it's ready to put onions in. All right, barn done. Sheep done. Let's do this. Let me go hook up the forks and Move that. Carry on.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be.
Look. Done. Oh, that one's next. Well, it's a new day, new evening. As far as my to-do list went, I got a few more things done, but I really had to pull a 50-foot row of pickling cucumbers because the squash bugs found them, and there were hundreds. So the best thing I could do is pull the cucumbers. Such is life. I don't spray, I don't, and you can't control hundreds of them. So, but in its place, I planted some snow or sugar snap peas for fall. And here, let me flip you around here. One thing I'm happy with is my lettuce and brassica mix. They're coming along pretty good despite the heat we have had. So let me point this out. This here is a toad hole. So I'm very cautious when I work the soil, so I'm not disturbing any toads because they do eat a lot of bugs. Apparently not squash bugs, but that's fine. They're here. My beautiful dill. I can have rows and rows of that and just be happy. And strawberries looking good. Carrots, I need to start pulling. Got another bed of carrots that the gopher's been in. But for the most part, they're looking all right. So I get to plant more carrots. And let's see, carrots, spinach, more lettuce. What else? Bok choy, radishes. I've got kohlrabi coming. So I'm just listening to the peacocks down the road. So I'll continue my to-do list tomorrow. Weeds in the flower garden. I'll try to take a video of that. It's kind of embarrassing, but it's just a fact of life. I got tired, got hot, and then I went back to my normal job. So I'll probably bring you along for some of that chaos. It's all right. I'm outside. I'm enjoying it. And who could ask for anything more? Spend a Sunday in your garden. So, hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you later.